Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great and you're safe from coronavirus. From our previous discussion, blood vessels, we have covered arteries and veins. So today we'll be discussing about capillaries. Okay, before going to the capillaries, you should revise these two, and you should be able to differentiate between these two arteries and veins, their function and their structure. As I already have told you that arteries are those which take blood away from the heart and they take it at high pressure, so their walls are muscular. Compared with veins, veins carry the blood back to the heart and it has low blood pressure, so it does not have muscular walls like arteries, and instead it has valves. Valves are the structures which stop the blood from flowing backwards, as we discussed. So we'll be continuing directly to blood capillaries. So you should be able to differentiate between the previous two blood vessels before coming to blood capillaries. So jumping on, blood capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in our system. Their function is to get blood from the arteries as close as possible to the tissues. As we all know that basically the function of the blood is to give oxygen and nutrients to the cells and take away the waste products. So each and every cell should have these nutrients. So when it comes to these nutrients, getting these nutrients to the cells and tissues, it is done by blood capillaries. Okay, arteries and veins are the larger tubes, and blood capillaries are the ones which go deeper into the cells and tissues to provide them with the nutrients and oxygen and take away all the waste materials. Okay, the main difference between blood capillaries and the other two blood vessels is that they are very, very small and only one cell thick, so that they can give all the nutrients to the cells easily and take back the waste products. So I hope that you learn a lot in this lecture. So before concluding, I will just remind you that you have to write all this information down in your notebooks and try to learn it. If you have any questions, uh, give me a text and I will explain it to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.